To delete a text message or a conversation or chat on a POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna go to Google Messages app. Now once we go over here, if you want to delete a whole chat, you can just simply press and hold your finger on that chat. There we go. You can of course select multiple chats at once, and then you should be able to tap on this trash icon in the upper right corner. Now the good thing is that we can actually move the chat, or actually we do move the chat to the bin or trash, so you have 30 days to recover the whole conversation in case you change your mind. And in the case of messages, so if you have like a single message or just a couple of messages from the chat, if you decide to remove them, then unfortunately, at least for now, this action is permanent. You cannot revert that. So once you delete messages specifically, they are gone forever. Of course, in the future, there might be an update where those messages are going to be sent to trash instead as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.